Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are tackling a very common question. How can you transfer your Google Play Store balance to another account? First, let's clear up a major misconception. Google does not offer a direct transfer button. Officially, Play balances cannot be instantly moved between standard accounts. However, if you recently redeemed a gift card on the wrong account, or if you are managing a family link account, there is a legitimate workaround by escalating a request to Google support. Here is exactly how to do it. Open the Google Play Store on your device and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and select Help and Feedback. Since we need to open a support ticket, tap on the Contact Us button. In the text box, type Google Play Balance Transfer and hit Next. Under the issue description, select Transfer Account Content. Then choose Google Play Apps and tap Next Step. Bypass the automated resources by clicking Next Step again until you reach the contact options. Depending on your region, you will see options to either chat or email the support team. Go ahead and start a chat or send an email. Explain clearly why you need the balance transferred. For instance, accidentally redeeming a code on your secondary email. Keep in mind that approval is at Google's discretion, so having your transaction ID or gift card details ready will greatly improve your chances. That is the most effective method available right now. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick, direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.